Every year, millions of women face unintended pregnancies.
Dumarami raw ang bilang ng mga teenager na nabuntis.
Ang musmus na katawan na ito, isang musmus din ang dinadala.
Minor de edad na nagda-drop out sa mga paaralan matapos mabuntis.
Naalarma po ang ilang grupo sa patuloy na pagdami ng teenage pregnancy sa bansa.
Stop. Your body, your choice, your future. Don't let it all go to waste.
Plan your future. Prevent unintended pregnancy.
Yes, contraception, the smartest decision, a responsible choice you'll ever make.
Plan ahead and prevent regret.
Fellow students, let us learn what does contraceptive measure means. This is very essential for us to learn to prevent unintended pregnancies.
What is contraceptive measures?
Contraceptive measures refers to method, devices, or medications used to prevent pregnancy. It also includes sexual practices, chemicals, drugs, or surgical procedures. Thus, any devices or act whose purpose is to prevent a woman from becoming pregnant can be considered as a contraceptive.
What are methods of contraception?
Methods of contraception includes condoms, birth or oral control pills, intrauterine devices or IUDs, contraceptive implants, injectables, patches, vaginal ring, male and female sterilization, withdrawal and fertility awareness-based methods.
Why are these contraceptive measures important?
It is essential for it helps in preventing unintended pregnancies, promoting women's health, empowering individuals to control their reproductive choices, reducing abortion rates, contributes to sustainable development, and addressing their overpopulation.
Is family planning essential too?
Yes, it is essential for individuals and couples to make informed decisions about the timing and spacing of their children. It empowers them to manage their reproductive health, pursue education and career goals, and improve overall well-being.
That's why sex education is crucial because it helps young people to develop a healthy relationship.
Make informed decisions.
And reduce the risk violence.
And abuse.
Empowered teens, brighter futures. Your life, your terms. Prevent unplanned pregnancy.